We'll now get you the latest as far as the investigation is concerned by the CBI. Now, Rhea Chakrabarty's parents are being grilled by the Central Bureau of Investigation for the first time. Rhea's brother Shouvik is also being quizzed by the CBI for the sixth time. Now, Rhea, though, is not being interrogated today. India Today has exclusively accessed the line of questioning for Rhea's parents, and where, in fact, they are being questioned on Rhea and Sushant's relationship, and if they raised any objection when Sushant was spending money on Shouvik and Rhea. Rhea has been grilled by the CBI for the past 4 days, over 35 hours of interrogation. Now, yesterday, Rhea was questioned for a marathon 9 hours on Sushant's mental health, on her role in Sushant's treatment. India Today has also learned that CBI has been asking Rhea similar questions to find loopholes in the statements that she is providing. Meanwhile, the CBI has also continued questioning Sushant's flatmates Siddharth Pithani, cook Neeraj and Keshav. In the case, Neeraj is being grilled for the 12th straight day, and Pithani has been called by the CBI for 11 straight days now. Devesh, my colleague, joining us with more details on this. For how long have the parents been questioned by the CBI, Devesh? And what is it that the CBI is hoping to establish by questioning the parents of Rhea Chakrabarty?
Ankit, it's almost 7 hours that Rhea's parents, Sandhya and Indrajit Chakrabarty, are being questioned. Also, Shouvik, her brother, has accompanied them. He's also being questioned by the CBI team. Second thing, all three of them have been named as accused in the CBI FIR. CBI FIR was the case which was transferred from the Patna FIR, and Indrajit, Sandhya and Shouvik Chakrabarty were named as accused along with Rhea Chakrabarty in this FIR. There were two other staffers, Shruti Modi and Samuel Miranda, who also have been named. And that is why it is very important to grill or record statements of the accused persons. Indrajit Chakrabarty, primarily, he has to answer all the queries regarding financials, regarding if there were any transactions. Remember, other than abatement to suicide, theft and other charges, there is a very serious charge of embezzlement of funds, embezzlement of around 15 crore rupees that were allegedly transferred to some suspicious accounts on behest of Rhea Chakrabarty and others. And that is why he is being grilled. Sandhya Chakrabarty will be grilled on the fact that Rhea Chakrabarty, her daughter, was in a relationship with Sushant Singh Rajput. So did she ever intervene? Did she ask why was he bearing all the expenditure? What kind of expenditure? One point I would like to bring to light over here, Ankit. There was a transfer of rupees 33,000, which India Today, in an independent forensic audit of Sushant Singh Rajput's financials, had found. That was a transfer made from Sandhya Chakrabarty to Sushant Singh Rajput.
Right.
So there was a transfer. This transfer was a particular amount of money that was spent by Sushant on Rhea's family, and that they had returned this particular amount of money. So, Ankit?
Okay, Devesh, we'll leave it there at this moment. In fact, we'll also tell our viewers right now about the inside scoop on the investigation and the questioning so far as Rhea Chakrabarty is concerned. What has the CBI found out so far after questioning Rhea Chakrabarty? She has, remember, been questioned for more than 35 hours in the last 4 days. Today, she has not been, in fact, called in for questioning. Now, India Today has got the inside scoop of Rhea Chakrabarty's CBI grilling. Top sources have told India Today that Rhea Chakrabarty, during her interrogation, has told the CBI that she never consumed drugs. Furthermore, Rhea claims that Sushant used to smoke marijuana before she met him. But the CBI probed Rhea on the chats, the WhatsApp chats. She maintains that it was not her. However, sources say that she has not been able to give satisfactory explanation about her chats with hotelier Gaurav Arya in 2017 when they spoke about drugs and some other occasions. Meanwhile, CBI is also corroborating claims of the statements, in fact, being made by Rhea Chakrabarty with other witnesses, Shruti Modi and Jaya Saha. They were the characters Rhea Chakrabarty was, in fact, seen talking in those chats regarding all these things.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.